김치를 먹어요. 김치를 먹어요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is kimchi를, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word kimchi. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 273. Kimchi. Kimchi. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is kim, second syllable is chi. Pronounce it with me. Kimchi. Kimchi. The word kimchi is probably one among the most common words to non-Koreans, like me. And probably most of us already know that kimchi pertains to the fermented vegetable. But there are a lot of types of kimchi in Korea, but the most common one is that which is made of cabbage. So again, kimchi pertains to the fermented vegetable. How do we write kimchi in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is kim. This is composed of a gil character followed by an e character followed by a miem character. For the second syllable chi, this is written by drawing first a chiat character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word kimchi. Now, let's try to look at this example English sentence. It says, I eat kimchi. Again, I eat kimchi. The Korean translation of this sentence is 김치를 먹어요. 김치를 먹어요. This sentence could be divided into two. The first part is kimchi, which is the noun used to pertain fermented vegetables in Korea, while 먹어요 means eat, or the present action of eating. So, when I say 김치 먹어요, it means I eat kimchi, or I eat fermented vegetables. And looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know the phrase written on this slide. 김치를 먹어요 simply means I eat kimchi. And with that, you've just learned kimchi. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 263 to 272. But don't forget our word for today, word number 273, kimchi, which pertains to the fermented vegetable dish in Korea. Word number 272 is 물론, which means sure or of course. Word number 271 is 없다, which means to not exist or to not have. Word number 270 is 맛있어, which means there is taste or delicious, and this is an informal term. Word number 269 is 해요, which means do. Word number 268 is 봐요, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. And the last for our review, word number 263, 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.